Hello, Martin here.
Later.
Uh, I'm stuck doing this mission. I can find the outfit in this thing over here.
Hey,
You see it? You see it in there? I've been driving around everywhere and I don't see anything. I know it's a green bag, you know, but where I have to go, you know. Let's see if I can get the mask or something like that. I think it's gonna be about the beach. Well, they sell the hats and masks. You know, I find the trailer. It was the by the well, they make the movies and stuff. It wasn't there, you know. But I'm stuck in here with this. If Rockstar can do a little bit more clear and easy to identify where are they, because right now I've been driving everywhere and I don't see anything, you know. So well, you guys can tell I've been got everything, almost everything done, and I got in here the task. I am stuck. Okay, maybe it's me. New mission. No. In the meantime,
those
you
mules you towed. I sent the payment for those parts to your account. What's up? Take care.
and I see this one car. I just pick it up with a tow truck, and
Hey,
now let's see.
catch you later.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. See my truck, nice and silver. Oh, by the way, uh, Rockstar, why you don't let us change the rims of these trucks and put the logo, our crew, everybody's crew, put the logo right there. Why you don't let us do that? Change the license plate, Rep 5, come on, you know. You put the logo in there, I put the license plate, they already got it. I got the license plate. My crew is White Skies, you know. Put the logo and put the license plate right there. Uh, let's get another truck. At least the truck don't look like crap. Uh, this clean version is better, but at least you can be able to customize, put the lights, set the lights, you know, change the rims, change the rim. Not have to change the tire. You can leave it like that. It's a workhorse, but at least change the rims, put a different rims, you know. Able to put the license plate, check, put the name of my shop, the name of the crew. Yeah, that one too. That'd be nice. You know. There are little things you don't have to mess around much with this truck. Make make personalize our own shop, our own business, like you do with the CEO and and the bikers. You can put the name on it, you know. Why this way you can? So if you can hear me, Rockstar, please make a little bit more accessible to find the stuff, you know, and let us put the name, our shop, change the name to that thing, and put in name our stuff, our crew, or whatever you want to put in there, you know, and change the rims and the license plate. I don't think it's that complicated. It's already there. It's already there. Look at this. I like the color of this truck. Silver. Good. And I have to cut out the parking brake cables. Work like the other one. Just hook and drive. Well, guys, I have to say, see you in the next one. You know, let me go stop around here and say goodbye to everybody because and Rockstar, you see you. Oh, look at that! You see, Rockhill. Okay, you see. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you around.